Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about one product that lifts, tightens, and super hydrates your skin, instantly lifting saggy skin, giving you a rejuvenated look. One super formulated product that we haven't talked about before, and it's all in today's video. Now, if you happen to be new to me and my channel, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing skincare for 36 years, helping people find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that is the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Now, the product we're going to be talking about today, I've been testing out for about 6 months, and it is the Uplift Firming Serum from City Beauty. Make sure I have it in the shot here so you guys can see it. It is a really well-formulated lifting and tightening product that you can use to actually improve the way your skin looks. And what's fascinating is that not only does it work instantly, it actually continues to improve the look of your skin for the next hour, and then it will last for several hours actually throughout the day. Now, for those of you who've been around for a while, you know that on my channel, it's all about ingredients and effectiveness over brand name and price. Of course, this is not a sponsored video, but what you do need to know is that for this year, 2023, every month, we've been doing a drawing and giving away a City Beauty product. So there is a partnership that I have with them for that. It's completely separate. And if you're not participating in that and you want to know how you can get free skincare from City Beauty, be sure to go and join my skincare community, Skin So Fabulous. It's a blog and a community where people can help each other out, and you can direct message me. It's free. And of course, there'll be a link to that down below in the video description box. But what's important in today's video is how this product actually works. So let's talk about first what's in it. One of the things that I really like about City Beauty product formulations is how unique they are and how they rely on certain botanical marine extracts that have been proven to be very beneficial to skin, but you don't find them in other types of products. Two of them in this formulation, one from a marine plant and the other a type of marine algae, working together to help tighten and lift skin, but at the same time, acting to diminish inflammation, giving your skin a firmer, smoother, less textured look. They've also added a botanical, naturally derived peptide from goji fruit, along with hyaluronic acid, and we all know what hyaluronic acid can do for your skin, turmeric and basil leaf extract, and actually all of this together forms a complex in the upper layers of your skin to lift and tighten, sort of like a grid, and hold skin in place. It really does work exceptionally well. And I love the innovative way that they help you measure out product that you need, because we talk about that all the time, how everybody uses too much product usually. This product actually has a self-filling, self-measuring dropper, as you can see right here. Let me put this down, and you can just put a full amount on your fingertips. It's perfectly measured, and you would massage this into clean skin twice a day. So part of your morning and your evening routine right after cleansing, you just want to pat that in. Right around the eyes is fine. I actually even applied it to my upper eyelids. Just pat it in to let it absorb, and you'll start to feel it working right away. The other thing that I really like about this product is that it absorbs completely, and while it lifts and tightens your skin, it doesn't give you that chalky, over tight feeling that a lot of lifting serums and products do. And while I'm not a cosmetics wearer, I did test this out with cosmetic foundation, and it worked just fine with that cosmetic foundation. So there's not anything to dislike about this product and what it can do for you. And I will be putting a link down below in the video description box like I always do, so you can go check it out for yourself. But at the time of this video that we're filming this and putting it out, they actually have a site-wide sale from December the 8th through the 15th, 35% off any of their products. So if you're a City Beauty lover and use any of their products, now is the time to go and purchase from them while they have this deep discount happening. And don't forget to check out the link for my skincare community, because a lot of things over there that I don't get to do here on YouTube, plus that free skincare you can win just for being a part of all of that. And lastly, for even more ways to roll back that clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video right here that's coming up next. Thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate you more than you could ever know. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.